This video is brought to you by AUTO-VOX. Hello and welcome back to Simple Tech Reviews. Today we'll be looking at the AUTO-VOX M6B rearview mirror dual camera DVR. The M6B is a high-resolution dashcam mirror that simultaneously records the front and back views of your car. The mirror measures 12 inches long, which gives you a nice and clear rear view. It works as a reversing backup camera, has a 4.5 IPS touchscreen, and records at resolutions up to 1296p. Let's begin with the unboxing. We first see a cute thank you card, then the user manual. Next is the large and very reflective M6B mirror, then the mini USB ladder power adapter, the rear camera cable, the license plate mountable backup camera with LED lights and light sensor, two sets of rubber mounting bands to fit different sized mirrors, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. Having a closer look at the mirror, on the front we see the 12-inch reflective mirror, and on the left the 4.5-inch IPS touchscreen. On the back there's a 1296p adjustable 165-degree wide-angle camera, the speaker, and the reset pinhole. On top we see the microSD card slot up to 64 GB, the backup camera connection, and the mini USB power. And on the bottom, the single power button. And having a closer look at the rear camera, we first see the metal license plate mount that you can use to install it. We then see the wide-angle adjustable lens, the 6 bright LEDs that turn on when backing up at night or in a dark environment, and the light sensor which allows the LEDs to turn on only when it's dark. The back camera resolution is fixed to 480p. The M6B uses the familiar installation system that we have seen before. Just mount the M6 on top of your existing mirror and secure it with the elastic bands. Then route the back camera cable to the back of the vehicle, following the car's original wiring path through the rubber boot and all the way to the license plate location. If you want the automatic backup image to come on screen, then you will need to connect the two wires on the back camera cable to your white reversing bulb. I used some quick splice spade wire connectors for an easy and sealed connection. I will add a link in the description if you'd like to get a kit, as they can work for all sorts of low voltage wire connections. Now, going back to the mirror, insert the microSD card, connect the USB power and the ladder adapter so that you can begin recording both cameras whenever you turn your vehicle on. Let's now have a look at the mirror's main functions. From the main menu, you can see the live preview of the cameras, take pictures, turn the motion detector on, format the SD card, mute the microphone, see the recording's playback, and go into the settings. In the settings, you can set the front camera's resolution to a maximum of 2304 x 1296. You can set the video recording interval, set the photo resolution up to 12 megapixels, set the date and time, change the language, set the G-sensor sensitivity, set the parking monitor, and reset to factory settings. In conclusion, the AUTO-VOX M6B provides you with a complete car DVR package to record the front and back of your vehicle. It works as a wide-angle reversing backup camera when shifting into reverse, and is also a large 12-inch mirror that gives you a crystal clear rear view. If you'd like to check out the AUTO-VOX M6B, don't forget to click the link in the video description below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Up next are the video sample clips. I'll see you on the next review.